this place. I'm going home.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I am Agnes Asantua, and in this video I'm going to show you about my first day in fashion school and also me using the sewing machine for the very first time. So first of all, I was late. See, don't come for me, but I was late.
At 7:30. Agnes is coming at 8:30. Didn't I say it's 6:30? That's been 7:30 thing.
As I said, I beg, don't count for me. It wasn't my fault. Someone told me that school starts at 8, and it's true, school starts at 8. But that 8 is when we have our devotion. And yes, because it's a Christian school. So this is my classroom, and actually there are 2 classes, and that's the first one and this is the second one. So this one I was basically feeling myself because what? Your girl is in fashion school. At this point, I was confused. So they explained it to me that we needed the French cares to cut our own fabrics at home, but the school gives us one. But see, your girl wasn't ready for it. So see what I said. No, hear what I said.
Can I still go back?
Go back home.
So I was sitting down, minding my own business, rethinking about this whole thing in French case, and they gave me another news that I was unprescribed.
So it's not like not prescribed. It's not prescribed. Show me a shirt. Is it a shirt?
It's not prescribed. What about it?
Wait, can't wahala be this? You can't come and stress me, yo.
I can still go home, right?
You can't. So you have better
Only me, I came today. I'm buying hot at French care, 65 CDs. I should bring shoe and I should start wearing white shirt with sleeves.
Short. It should be short.
All this wahala from me being late to French cares to dress code, I was thinking, fashion is not for me, yo.
Maybe I'm not going to school tomorrow.
I don't understand you are new.
I still continue, Sha. So this is what they gave me. Grey baft, pencil, tracing wheel, ruler, seam ripper, thread, scissors, tape measure, office pins, hook and eye, press starts, needles. So this was me showing what I was sewing and all that. And something. So at this point, I was doing this thing they called it even stitches, something. The way I unpicked, I did one. They said it was looking like polka dots. I did another one. They said a small beads thing. I have suffered in the hands of these nice stitches. Hey, Jesus. I work in happiness, Sha. Let me work some more. And that is how come I unpicked plenty like that. You guys just enjoy seeing this. So the final result, it's not the final result, this is the polka dots, the one they asked me to unpick. And now to the machine. Okay, see, don't mind me for this one. This one, I don't know when it's for inside. This one, I was just doing to know. I didn't know anything.
It's like this.
See me doing is like this. No, it's like this. Hey, forget all the skirmishes I was doing. Nothing was sewing. Nothing was sewing. I just had to give up and I called for reinforcements because Charlie, I can't come and stress myself.
Even making sure yeah, we want to tell me say like where would the baby in the say. Okay. Who said a movie? I found the way you see it. Now we just change. So it may start here. When movie we say. Say who say a movie? Now we know. Say reverse.
So for those who don't understand the tree, please pardon us. That's all we speak. So she was basically teaching me how to use the sewing machine. See the way I was happy that I was saying. She was like, move your hands, move your hands. See my hands. Oh God.
I mean, yeah, maybe. Yeah, no, I'm not. Maybe if you are sister. Oh, yeah, Miss Sister.
You can say we friends, they are not anything.
Eh, na machi.
But which one baby finding the which one now
Let me move in and say,
you know who from say now.
chance. Let me guess. The question is say, and I say. I say I'm going to I say I'm say. Why is this a one hour sharing and I ate it? Used to be that.
Nobody used to the mom. Yeah, me yeah,
Yo, Maxi. Bye bye, Pedasi. I'm going home. Then I go like this a few more times.
So basically, this was right after she had left, and I didn't know what I was doing again. Like, I had forgotten what she told me. I was just doing, nothing was sewing. I don't know why, but you know what they say, practice to make perfect. So small, kaka like that, then we are going, and now we are doing things. Anyways, so this is the end of today's video. Click on the subscribe button and support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, like this video, comment, let me know what you think about this video. And in my next video, which is my next fashion update video, I'll be showing you all the new thing that we are making now. Okay, I am making now because I'm behind. I'll show you the new project I am working on now in fashion school. And you guys, I know you'll be excited for me because I'm excited for myself. So I'll show you all. It's in the process, in the pipeline, it's in wherever. Just pray for me that it comes to pass. So I'll see you all next week. Pew!